Hi there! In this video I'm going to show you how to make the tassel top for the carrot. So first we're going to start with a chain 2, and then we're going to pull that tight and then pull this loop up twice as long as you want it, and I'm going to hold it on there and twist it towards me 16 times. Now that it's twisted, I'm going to pinch it here in the center, insert my hook into that first chain, and then slip stitch through both, and it will make a little curl. So we'll chain 1, pull tight, pull that up, twist it, pinch it in the middle, slip stitch, and chain 1. And if it curls up like that, just find the center of it and pull it out. And that's the little tassel.